Hi moms! Need fun, screen-free ideas for your little one? I've got you covered with 3 easy activities using things already at home. Activity 1, Sock Toss Game. Kids tossing rolled-up socks into laundry baskets. Turn laundry into fun with this simple sock toss game. Activity 2, DIY Sensory Bin. Visual, a bin with rice, spoons, and small toys. Sensory bins are perfect for quiet, focused play. Activity 3, Obstacle Course. Visual, pillows and chairs set up for climbing. Burn energy indoors with a homemade obstacle course. Which one will you try first? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with other awesome moms.